Hello, children. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to English classes. And today's the second unit, the way to school, grammar part. How are you all? This is your Pawan sir, English teacher. I hope you're enjoying my classes and you're home. You're safe at home. Okay, children. Okay, let us going to start our topic. In today's topic, I told you a grammar parts. So before that grammar part, a small one bit. Just will complete that. Right. So you look at it here. Spell right. Circle the correctly spelled word in each pair. Take the help of dictionary. Okay, children. You look at here. There are six words are given, which is two words are given. The two words which is correct spelling, just you keep the tick mark. Just I will tell you one or two, you remain you all you just complete. Okay. Arguments. So actual argument spelling argument. Second one is correct argument. Keep the tick mark. Second one is right. Is one. Okay. Next. uh, Discipline. Okay, discipline spelling discipli. So this is the discipline spelling. Next, uh, foreign. Foreign spelling correct. foreign is correct. Okay, children, that's the remaining three for you. I'm giving to you. Just enjoy. Okay, grateful. gratful or gratful, which is correct ticket. Tuition. tuition. Separate. separate, which is out of three. This is homework for you. Okay, let us start our grammar part. Today's topic name is noun. In the noun, there are one topic type is possessive pronoun. Possessive noun. Possessive noun. So noun, what is the actual first noun? Noun is nothing but a name of person, place, things, and etc. Many things. Names. Just casually you say noun is nothing but names. In the not possessive. Possessive nothing but just you say if you have someone your friend is a book, uh, just you just I'm taking this book, it's mine. So how can I say it is who is this book? My book. It's my book. If I take your book, you say it is your book. So nothing but book. Before who is there? My and your. Yes, children, my and your is there, but actually possessive nothing but owner. Who is this book owner? My. And who is that book owner? You are the owner. So here the possessive nothing but expressing the owner of the things. Owner of the things. But here my place, here your place use names, like it is Pawan's book. Pawan's book. Okay. Once if you expressing your owners, so what can be used? That you see, it is Pawan's. It is Pawan's book. So we should, this is the sentence Pawan's book. So possessive now the owner can expressing using, there is one symbol. We use the symbol. What is the symbol? Up. This is called symbol. Children, this is symbol. Okay. Okay, I will show you here. Here. This symbol is called apostrophe. Already you have appearing now here the bracket. You see that this is called a symbol apostrophe. Okay, children. So this apostrophe can be using to the owners of the things, like I told you now. See here, Pawan's book. This book owner, who is the book owner? Pawan. So these two words between using apostrophe. Apostrophe after use yes. Pavan's, okay, owner can indicating apostrophe. Okay. Um, just you see it. Car is a car is there. That who's that car? My uncle's car. My uncle's car. Uncle's, who's the car owner? Uncle's. How to write uncle's car? So same, uncle apostrophe yes and car. Uncle's car. Only singular. Only one car. Children understand. Only one car time we use a s, yes before using apostrophe. Yes before, like you see, uncle apostrophe yes. If it is cars, uh, so you say, okay, let's move here. Example. mm, okay. mm, this pen is it. Who is this pen? Ramu's pen. This is Ramu's pen. Ramus means nothing but, how many pens are there? Only one, na? You just Ramus, Ramu apostrophe yes and pens. Ramus pens, we say that. Okay, right here. Once if it is a plural, example, we'll looking here, separate boys school, separate girls school, yes, see here in the screen, we add an s with apostrophe to noun to show that something belongs to it. Nothing but owner expressing. Apostrophe s, apostrophe after s will come owner things. A possessive noun. Mini and Vijay went to school. Uncle Anand's car. Anand's car. See, car owner, who is that? Anand. So owner how can indicate? Apostrophe symbol. That is called apostrophe. Okay. Next, if it is plural, how can indicate? Singular, already singular, plural in third class. Singular is nothing but one. Plural is nothing but more than one. If the plural noun ends with s, we places apostrophe after the school. Okay. Boys hostel, boys hostel. Okay. Boys hostel, nothing but, who's that hostel? Sorry, boys school is there. Total. So who's the schools total indicating? School. Boys, you don't write apostrophe yes, it's wrong. Yes after apostrophe. Boys school. Okay. Next to here example, you see, mm, girls cricket. Girls cricket, nothing but one girl, here boys school, nothing but one boys school. If once you say children, boy after apostrophe f, if you keep you like, it's wrong, because boys school nothing, one boy school, total boys only now, so that's why total more than one boys are there in the school. So that's why we use yes after apostrophe. Yes after apostrophe, that's why called plural. Next example, girls team. Girls team, nothing but one girl team is there, no more than one girl, no. So girls first total plural write down after apostrophe symbol. Girls team. Okay. So the team, girls cricket team. Okay, I hope you understand. So doubt you just ask. Only apostrophe can using possessive now, nothing but owner can indicating owners. Once singular means nothing but yes before will come apostrophe symbol. If it is plural, yes after will come plural. One more, sir. Okay, children. Child is singular, but children is a plural. Children, school. Children school, like how it is going on. So you just be writing like children. Children already plural, sir. Now once if it is a plural, yes after you told, na? I told you yes after only plural. Boys. But here children's yes after we don't use, yes before only, because children already plural word. Children already plural word. Okay. All right. Okay, see that you easily understand this. Let's move into the exercise parts. Fill in the blanks with the possessive or plural forms nouns in the brackets. Okay, children, in the bracket word is that you convert into singular apostrophe or plural or apostrophe. See, you only will tell you. I will tell you two, three. You just complete meaning. Mahatma Dash birthday. Mahatma is a only singular person. Na? Mahatma Gandhi's. So Mahatma Gandhi is nothing but yes before Gandhi after apostrophe. Yes, will write Mahatma Gandhi's. How is that? Gandhi's. See, just reverse. You have appearing the screen reverse. So yes before will use apostrophe because Gandhi is only one person. Na? So yes before apostrophe symbol. Next to my dash birthday is and my is nothing but only one person. Na? My mother's nothing but my mother write down first in the bracket mother after apostrophe yes write down apostrophe yes. Okay children, apostrophe children, here mothers. Okay, so mother write down after mother complete option. You just keep it like this. Next yes write down mothers. Okay. Next one, dash day is celebrated on 5th September. Here how to write teachers. How is that? um okay, we just teachers day. Teachers how to write? Just write down teacher apostrophe yes. Yes before only apostrophe keep. Teachers day. Okay, singular. Next to the remaining part you should complete in the bracket. We have to okay, once if it is a singular word just yes before apostrophe use. Next once if it is a plural word just use yes after. Next one, we have to dash this week holiday. Right, holidays. We have two holidays. Right, how to write a holidays? So two there na, so plural, so yes after apostrophe holidays. Next dash house. uh, our grandmothers only single. My grandmother only one grandmother only everyone. So as individual, so grandmother I done apostrophe yes singular. Next, my dad's name is Salim. My brother's name nothing but my brother is only one na, so that's why apostrophe s before. Next his friends, his friend, he is also only one person talking, so friend apostrophe s friend apostrophe s. Next one, dash favorite minister Babel was the cleverest among. Single Akbar write down apostrophe yes symbol yes. Okay. uh, Next first Akbar's favorite minister. Next is courtier. He is also singular now, so courtier apostrophe yes courtier. So remaining this you just complete. Okay, right, look at there children. You use grammar part. Trace the objects to their owners. Okay children, here every uh, two sides are observed. Here the few some people, here some people, so there everyone has names given. You see here, first one name is the person. This person name is Robbie, and this next this girl name is Mary. Next this Jaya. Next Bipin. Okay. Next here is Ali. Here is Lucky. Here is Swami. Here is Ekta. Okay. So now what you do here? All the names are now you know very well. So in the middle of the two sides the things are given. So they are already drawn their line to their box. So Bobby, only one is given singular now. So singular how to write apostrophe? Just will write a singular apostrophe S word after name after apostrophe S, right? So bag, who's the bag owner? Bag owner Bobby's. So Bobby's bag, Bobby. So B A Robbie, sorry, Robbie owner, ROBBY apostrophe S, bag, right down. All remaining very easy. Next, here is see Mary's ball, Mary's. Next singular only all, so singular nothing but yes apostrophe after yes. Next to Jaya's umbrella, Bipin's bat, Ali's rocket. Next Lucky's bottle. Next to Swami's t-shirt, Ekta's book. Okay children, I told you all this, but here one thing, I told you answer, but if you want to get answer you just ask to your friend. How to that? Just already one question is given. Now form two teams, a student team A and team A, nothing but this is team A. Next this is team B. Okay children, so team A just ask the question to team B. Now team B team B will give answer to the team A, and after completion now team B asks the questions to team A and team A answer to team B. Okay, right, how to ask the answer questions? First one, whose bat is this? So whose who's the bat owner? The symbol showing the bat owner, who's that? Bp's. So you say this is Bipin's bat, this is Bipin's bat, you write down. So okay, you just write down once all homework for you. Wait. Team A, team B, just write out. Team A, team B, write down. After, now just two questions. First question, what? Whose bat is this? After, this is Bipin's bat. Bipin's, how to write Bipin's? Is singular na? Apostrophe yes. Next one, whose ball is this? Whose ball? Second one, whose ball is this? And whose ball? Who's the owner? Mary's ball, Mary's ball. Next to next to whose umbrella is this? Whose umbrella is this? This is Jaya's umbrella. Jaya's umbrella owner, who's that? Jaya. And bat owner Bipin's. And ball owner, who's the ball? Mary. Next, whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? This is Robbie's bag. Robbie's. You just all right answer. Okay, same way 8 questions, 8 answer remaining this side. Whose t-shirt is this? Now you write answer. Whose shirt is this? Whose cap is this? Okay, just you write all four. Next one, if the answer is correct the team get 2 points, the team with the most point wins. Okay, children, write 8 questions, 8 answer, because 8 things are there now total. Just already easy, same. Whose bat is this? Whose bag is this? Whose pen is this? Whose cap is this? Whose ball is? But answer while writing answer careful, because use apostrophe C. Right? Okay. Another example gave for you. Next, look at here down J bit. Look at the pic above and write whose things are shown in the picture is given below. Right, children? You look here. The scene the careful. Varun what is doing? Painting. Next to Tina. What is holding? Track. Mother writing. Next to father reading. Next to baby, just what is a stay in the, where is stay, what is there? Holding toy. Okay, what is that? You just write down. Already one possessive is given. What is that? Truck owner. Who is the truck owner? Tina's truck. Next, next Varun's paint, mother's pen, father's book, and baby's toy, baby toy. Okay, so this is, you just write like all this simple, very easy. Hmm. Next, write well. Have you ever missed your bus or forgotten? Okay, children. So write well on the bit. Have you ever missed your bus or forgotten something at home that you had to take to your school? Write at least 10 sentences about your event. Write about. Okay, you just have you ever missed your bus or forgotten something? So while you are ready to come to school, so have you anytime missed the school bus or anything you forgot? I want to take this to school today, homework today, test today, something this bus, sorry, something book or something. Have you missed it? Okay, if you miss that, so just to write the 10 sentences. 10 sentences. So what happened? What the result was? How you felt? Okay, so example I will tell you. See, actually you have English test tomorrow. You prepare well and you want to take the notes to the school. So how to write? So just to you first, I have a English test tomorrow, so I prepare very well. I decided to prepare in the morning, and after next sentence, after preparation, I want to put the notebook in my bag, but at the busy morning, just I forgot my book. After I came to school, suddenly the teacher told open the books, but I forgot my book. So that time my teacher scolded me. Okay, so I felt very shame in the classroom. I felt very unhappy. So like the 10 sentences, anything, or while you are prepare something, bus missing. If you miss the bus, you have first period, you have okay test. How you write down 10 sentence. If you miss the bus, how did you miss? And if you miss the bus, what happened? And there is the school, and how did you feel in front of all the children? Okay, just write at least a few points. Okay, life skills. Be safe at home. Read this list of home safety do's and don'ts. Tick the statement that you think are correct and put a cross against ones think you're wrong. Okay, children. So here the few sentences are given for you. Stay home and say stay safe. If it is the sentence it is correct, you just keep tick mark. If it is wrong, just keep into against mark. Just I'm going to read. So children, you don't need to know the emergency phone numbers for the police, fire brigade and ambulance. Don't need, children, you don't need to know the police officer, ambulance number. Say against, because you want to know, so keep against into mark. You should never open the doors to strangers. Yes, someone, if it is an unknown person will ring bell at home, do you open? No, so it's a tick mark. You must remember your parents' phone number and your home address. Yes, children, as you are a kid, you have to know your parents' name, phone number, and your home address also. Compulsory. So tick mark. Everyone need not to keep a basic first aid kit at home. Do you know, children, first aid kit? Once you are injured, once you are something you fall down, so what you do commonly directly, will you go to doctor? No, you first maintain, treat yourself, first aid. Take the first aid box, what are the items you know very well. So here is the sentence is don't need, here is the sentence. So it is against. So okay, children. Okay, hope you children understood this session. So any doubts, feel free to ask me. So first that you just buy all of your books, and within So the next day we are going to start our live classes from school. So be ready, children, and all of you stay home. Thank you. Have a nice day.